The Pixel 9 series launched less than 2 weeks ago with 4 members including a Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL and Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Google's next-generation Pixel A series phone, Pixel 9a, has now leaked online. The phone is seen with a redesigned rear panel and lacks the Pixel-style camera bar. Pixel 9a's camera sensors are seen arranged horizontally alongside the LED flash. It has a glossy ring around the sensors. The sides of the 9a appear to be made from aluminum like the Pixel 9 and feature the same matte finish. The alleged renders suggest a hole-punch display design for the phone. It appears to have flat edges as well. The SIM slot, USB-C port, and speaker all located on the bottom. It's expected to come with the same Google Tensor G4 chipset that powers the flagship models. The tipster claimed that Pixel 9a could be released at the end of this year, and it will be available in 4 colors, including a new silver color option. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.